Yeah, right. Hopefully you're enjoying the last video that I did using scrap wood. This week I'm going to be making a small set of shelves to go on top of a workbench or on a kitchen bench. I'll be using one plank of wood for it. The thickness is 18mm, width is 70mm. I'm only intending on using the miter saw as the only bit of machinery, and then maybe the combi drill. The rest of it will be using just hand tools wherever I can. Okay, so let's get over with the yapping and just get on with it. Okay, so now I'm just going to plan out how it's going to go, because I haven't done a design for this. I thought it should be just straightforward. So there's going to be no shelf on the bottom. I'm going to have a middle shelf and then one near the top. So let's just get I'll square them up. I'm going to make it all sides there. Just for the shower system, and then I'm going to use through dowels to connect them.
Brand yourself with some holy X, not free drugs and sex, they ain't got road. Take his blood for your own deep dark. He removes the scars and you come clean. Rid yourself of philosophies, they won't hold your hand, lead you to the land. He's come home. about your heart. For anybody or anything who shares a spark, sparkling like a diamond. It's a pathetic little echo